Hello guys, I hope you are doing well. My name is Noman and you're watching Stay with Nomi. So in this video, I will teach you how you create a cryptocurrency website in WordPress. So before starting this video, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get a new video notification. So without wasting further time, let's begin. Open your WordPress dashboard. After that, click on Appearance and click on Add New Theme. I just upload a theme. Just click on Upload Theme and here you can see Choose File. Now choose your theme and then click on Install now. Then click on Activate. So now you can see our theme is uploaded successfully. Here you can see the requirement plugin. You can just click on Bing installing plugins. Select all and now click on Install and click on Apply. So here you can see there has been a critical error on this website. You can just go back to your plugins and now click on one by one install the plugin. Just install. So now reload this plugin page and now you can see this one Elementor builder is not installing. You can install again. And now you can see successfully install the plugin. Just reload again. So now you can see all the plugin installed successfully. Now select all, click action and now you can see activate. Click on activated and click on apply. So you can see all plugin now activated successfully. Go back to your dashboard and now you can see Elementor dashboard. Just close this tab. And now you can see appearance. Go to appearance and here you can see import demo data. Now you can see there is two demo. You can just click on preview demo and then which one you like, you could just click on import demo. So I just follow demo first. Just click on import demo. And now you can also select this. I don't need this. Click on continue and import. Now wait a while until the demo is imported successfully. So now you can see the demo is imported successfully. Just click on visit site. Now you can see our demo is imported successfully. This is footer. So now you can see we missed up header. You can see there is no header in this website. So go back to your dashboard and you can see header and footer here. Just click on it and now click on header one. Just click on added with Elementor. So here you can see this is your header. Click on it. And if you want to change your logo, just click on logo option and choose image, upload your logo and select it, right? After that, click on publish. So I just go back now, click on add new template. So select and here you can see select header, name your header. I just add a header dash nomi, just create template. And now go back to your header, just copy this all section and go back to your header and now you can paste it here, right? So there is also a responsive. You can just click on publish and now add a condition. I just add an entire site, add condition and click on save and close, right? I just reload my website. So now you can see our header is displayed in our home page. So and now we can see our footer is working or not. There you can see our footer is also not working. And just go back to your dashboard and now click on header and footer. Now you can see footer one. We just click on edit with Elementor. I just close header one. So now you can see there is all a footer here, right? If you want to change a number here, just click on it and add a number here, and also add a email address here and a website, right? And you can also add a social media link here, right? Add a link here, and now you can also select a pages link. If you want to add a page contact as page link, you just add a paste here, right? This is all your pages. This is all a same way. And you can also add a link of your Discord here. You can add a link of your Discord here. You can also change a copyright area. You can also add your website name here, right? And you can also change this form, and you can also change this slider. First slider here, you can see first change image, change a flag, and country name, name and designation and content. You can also change here, right? First one, second one, and third one. Here you can see 3, right? When you complete this section, you can just copy this all section, right? And go back to your template area, and now add new template, and just click on selection, and you can see footer. Click on footer, and I just add a name of footer dash nomi create template. Right, close this tab, and you can just paste here. So you can see your footer is done. You can just click on publish and add a condition entire site. Save and close. Now we go back our website, and now I just go down and see my footer, and you can see here our footer is now active on our website, right? So if you want to change this page content, this page images, you can just click on edit Elementor. So now you can see if you want to change this heading tab, just click on it and you can change it here, right? And also you can change this token. You can just add a date here, right? Click on it and add a date here which you want, right? And you can also change the heading and add a link here. This is also, you can add a white paper link here, right? And go down and you can see our pre-sale token structure. Just click on it, and now you can see change the name and heading text here, right? And we accept. Here you can see all the coins here. You can also add new coins here. Just click on it and add it here, right? So I just add for example Tron. So now you can see Tron is here. You can also add an image here, right? I just close this, so you can see, and you can also pre-sale add. Here you can see pre-sale. You can also add is here. Click on it, and here you can see pre-sale, right? And you can see soft cap bonus. Here you can see you can change also this, and now you can also change this 70 target price. You can also change it, and Ethereum, 1 Ethereum is equal to, you can also change it here, right? Go down, and here you can see click on it, and now you can also change a heading here, right? And you can also change an image here, left right image, right? You can see here. You can also change this, and now click on this slider. Here you can see brand. You can also change a brand name here, and also change a brand image here, right? So this is all a brand. You can change it here, right? Scroll down, and now you can see, just click on text and change it here, and you can change text here. This is all the same way. So go down, and now you can see this all. You can also change the name, register account, click on it and add a heading here, add a text here, right? This is all. You can also same criteria, just click on deposit amount and add it here. Scroll down, change an heading here. Now click on pre-sale. Here you can see ICO, reward, and marketing team. You can also change it here, right? And you can also change a percentage here, right? And just click on allocation, right? Allocation resources from the token sales, right? You can also change a percentage of your token sales here, and you can also change a button text here. Here you can see investment. This is all the same way. You can just change it here, right? Scroll down, click on roadmap, change the name of your roadmap, and you can also change a content of your roadmap here, research, right? Click on research, and you can also add a name of your fair. So I just add accepting. So you can see one more edit you can also add here, right? Just click on research, and you can also add here, and you can also change an and date, right? And this is also concept, you can also add a concept here, right? And and app beta test, alpha test, you can also change this here, right? And you can see the middle one with here, you can see and 04, you can also change this one year section, right? Just go down, and you can also change a heading here. Just click on it, and now you can see a mobile payment make easy. You can just add heading here, add a text here. You can also add an icon here, right? You can just, which you want, you can just select it and add a icon here. This is all the same criteria, and you can just click on this section, and now you can see mobile app 2.4. You can also add it new, right? New this tab, and now mobile crypto. As you can see, mobile crypto bank, right? And you can also change a content, and now you can also change a list here, and you can also Apple iOS, right? You can also add a link here, Android link here, and image here. You can just add an image here. This is the background image, right? And this is the mobile image. You can also change it here. You can also add a meet. You can just change a heading here, and now you can select one, add an image here, add a name here, and add a designation here, and add a link of your team social media link here, and you can just paste a link here, right? This all the same criteria. Just click on it and add image content, right? And here you can see have any question, you can just click on it, and you can also add ask frequently question here, and now you can see click on it. So now you can see first question here. So how do I participate in the ICO, right? You can also change a heading here, and also change this content here, right? If you want to add more question, you can just click on add item, right? This is empty, so now there is no showing. So I just add something. So you can see you can also add a frequently question. So go down upcoming event, right? You can just add a image here, name, title, date, time, button, and link paste here, right? This is all the same criteria. And now there is a footer. So just when you edit your website, just click on publish, and now click on preview. So now your website is done. If you want to change this more pages here, ICO chart, roadmap, so you can see here is the link also added. If you want to add a blog, just click on blog, and now you can see the blog. There is no blog, there is one blog here, right? So go back to your dashboard. I just go back my dashboard, and now click on post, and just go back to your post, and now you can see this is all the post here, right? Examination. I just go back to our website, and now just click on blog, and now you can see examining the rise, and now you can see that this post, you can just edit the post here and add your post. Why? I hope you like this video, and I hope you like this theme, and I hope you like this website. So if you want this theme, so you can contact me on my WhatsApp. I just give you a number on my description and in the pin comment, right? So you can buy this theme from me. So I hope you like this video. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get a new video notification. So we will meet in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.